I get accused a lot of times of, what do they call me, bro science, and I'm the only one that friggin' was a real scientist in my day job before my head got too bad.
Right.
So anything that I say, I want to prove out. So, you know, belt squats, pulley belt squats been in the market 20 years. Finally, there's going to be a research study. A local university is going to look at squat max versus the Rogue Rhino, and let's see what really happens. I already have my biases.
Yeah,
I
sure,
know
of
that
course.
where I'm going to win, but this changes the moment arm because now he's able to push his hips posteriorly like you want to do on a back squat. And if I load this up in the front, it gets more quad, which that's how other belt squats are. The weight's loaded in the front. So I think some of my theory why they hold this is to activate their glutes.
Okay. Like I said,
Oh no, let's go one loop up. I'm gonna kill you. So you're still on two. So again, I know this may be a pain in the ass for your clients, but once you're gonna start them out with basics, right? Holy shit, let's go 4. I love you, John. I don't want to do that too. Because I think on 3, I think you're gonna get 420 at the top. Which is nothing to do, but it's on Sunday. So that little Jimmy Jam there, because I'm sitting a little lower, and I can go a little lower than that if I had to for a real short athlete.
so obviously this kind of thing was going to adjust where the resistance profile is.
But if you're trying to reach for a box, but this is what we're talking about. This is going to be more glute for him. So middle of his feet, even with this. Yep. Oh, I should have kept it on the other. Sorry, I messed up.
It's just,
So he's able. This puts him behind the load, so he's not getting pulled forward like a front squat, and the moment arm of the hips increases.
so I'm not really feeling as much of my front of my leg anymore. It's still there, but I'm getting that kind of glutes working pretty hard there.
So you have any more in you?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
I want you really to feel your glutes. He's like, can this guy leave?
No, I like learning.
And see how, like, I'm going to show you how to take care of this band. If we start to spin, I'm going to show you that before I leave.
So now we move this up a little bit, so I'm going to get a little bit more tension on the band.
Middle of his feet, you're going to come up to here.
And I can even feel the difference just from that small adjustment from the belt. Just moving it up on the loops makes a big difference in how much band tension I'm getting.
And then we'll show the front. So right now, he's going to hop down and pull the whole pin out. And again, this is the best place to start unless you're dealing with an advanced lifter coming back or someone coming back from ACL and you want to get more glute. But this in the front is going to be, the moment arm is going to be more biased because he's going to, since he's not holding on, his shin angle is going to have to increase like a front squat. Middle of your feet, yeah, right there. You can play with it if it doesn't feel right.
The difference, and now I'm getting a lot more my knees forward, more quads. I mean, it's a noticeable difference. So I want to work my legs a little bit more. You can see the quads starting to work harder.
And then he'll just lock it with that hammer.
So what way we go?
If you get a chance when